In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multiple services on Acuity scheduling, whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer. Managing multiple appointments efficiently can be crucial for your success. So let's get started. First, head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu and find the Calendar option. Give it a simple click, and this should redirect you to your scheduling calendar page. This is the spot where all your appointments are visually listed, making it easier for you to manage your schedule. Now, on the calendar page, you'll want to add a new appointment. To do this, look for the Add New button, often located conveniently at the top of the page. Clicking on this button will expand several options. Select appointment among these options. This action will begin the process of scheduling a new service for your clients. Next, it's time to choose the specific service you're offering. Acuity allows you to have various types of appointments tailored to your business needs. So pick the relevant appointment type from the list provided. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to choose any additional services that complement the primary service. These add-ons allow for a more personalized client experience, enhancing satisfaction and potentially increasing your revenue. With your services selected, you'll then need to pick a date and time that suits both you and your client. Acuity's user-friendly interface makes this step a breeze. The calendar layout allows for quick navigation and selection of available slots. After deciding on the perfect time, it's crucial to input your client's details. This includes their name, email, and any specific notes or preferences they might have mentioned. Ensuring that all client information is accurate and complete not only helps in organizing your appointments, but also in offering personalized customer service. Once all the details are filled in, double check to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the Schedule button. This will finalize the creation of your appointment. The button might change wording based on your specific setup, but it's generally located towards the bottom of the page. Finally, remember to hit Save. This step confirms that all information is correctly stored in the system. It's also a good practice to double check that the appointment reflects accurately on your calendar. With this, your appointment is officially booked, and you can now focus on providing top-notch services to your clients. And there you have it. Easy, right? By following these steps, you can seamlessly book multiple services through Acuity scheduling, ensuring your calendar is organized and your clients are satisfied. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.